the last Cyber video, we talked about what happens to your data after it's collected, how it moves, how it gets combined, and why things can feel more personal than they should. But that leads to an important question. What actually matters? Do you need to protect everything, or just certain things? Today, we're going to simplify that. One of the most helpful things to understand is this. Not all data is equal. Some information has a much bigger impact if it's exposed. Other information is far less important on its own. The goal isn't to protect everything perfectly, it's to protect what actually matters most. Let's start with the most important category, information that controls access. Things like your email account, your passwords, verification codes, financial account access. These don't just describe you, they allow access to your accounts. If this type of information is exposed, it can lead to real consequences. That's why this category deserves the most attention. It can help to think about data in two simple groups: identity data and context data. Identity data is what connects directly to your accounts. Your email, your login information, your recovery options. Context data is everything else: your interests, your habits, the services you use. Context doesn't usually give access, but it can make messages feel believable. This is where everything connects. Context data helps build convincing messages. That's why scams can feel familiar. But identity data is what actually allows damage. That's what gives access. So even if something feels personal, what matters most is what it's asking for. Instead of trying to protect everything, focus on a few key things. Protect your email account, use strong, unique passwords for important accounts, be careful with verification codes, and avoid reusing passwords across critical services. These small steps cover the highest impact risks. You don't need perfect privacy. You don't need to control every piece of data. You just need to understand what matters most. Security isn't about doing everything, it's about doing the right things first. When you know which information matters most, everything becomes simpler. Less guessing, less stress, more control. That's not fear, that's focus.
Cybersecurity doesn't have to be scary or complicated. Here in Zyber, we show you how to make it simple, practical, and even a little fun. Stay smart, stay secure. This has been Z. Till next time.